Hey guys, what's up? I know it's been a minute since I came on here. It's been a minute since I put out a video, but I stay on Snapchat and I stay on Instagram and I stay posting looks on there, but I never record them. So I'm back to record another look for you guys. It is October 1st, so I figured that a pink look would definitely go for this month since it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I just want to, do a look for everybody out there that has survived breast cancer, or you've lost somebody to breast cancer. It's something that is close to me. Definitely a lot of people in my family has had breast cancer. So something near and dear to my heart. I feel like a lot of people always forget about it because it is October and everybody's excited about Halloween and stuff, but we gotta bring this back, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like we need to highlight on this occasion as well. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching this video and give me a thumbs up once you get to the end of it. Thank you guys. First, we're going to be using the Anastasia eyelid primer. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and just put that on my lids. Lids are primed. I'm going to take the Alyssa Edwards palettes and I'm going to take this hot pink shade in here, and it's called Texas Made. It's this one right here. And I'm going to pat that into my crease. To blend that out, so I'm taking this right here and just blending that right over where I put that, but mainly in my crease. Can you tell the difference from this side to this side? That is good and blended out. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm actually gonna use black. I'm gonna take a little bit from the same palette, or no, not James Charles, the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm pretty much gonna create like this halo effect. So I'm gonna put it in the outer corner and just a little in the inner corner. Like that. Looks a little crazy right now, but trust me, you just gotta trust the process, So I'm gonna go back in. I'm switching to another palette. This is the Huda Beauty, the Mauve Obsessions. I actually just wanted to use like this reddish color, so right on top of that black. I'm just blending some more of that pink into this crease right here, because I still want that pink color to show up. I don't want it to get too lost. And now I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and just blend both sides out until they look equal. Okay, so we're looking pretty equal to me. So what I'm gonna do is go back with that Anastasia primer, and I'm pretty much gonna clear this middle space right here back out to create like that halo look that I'm going for. like that. And then I'm gonna go back in with that darker mauve shade and bring that to the center and kind of just blend that out a little bit. I kind of actually want to go back with a pink over top. So I pretty much went ahead and finished the rest of my face while my camera battery was charging. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start on my bottom line, or my waterline. So I'm gonna take that mauve purple that we were using, and I'm just gonna pretty much pat that on my bottom waterline. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with that pink shade and just blend that out. I'm gonna just pop on some mascara before I put my lashes on, as my lash hit the floor. I actually have this pink Makeup Forever liner that I want to use in my waterline. See how this works. It's my first time using it. Did a little something. Boom. I'm gonna spray my face. So this is pretty much the finished look. I just added some mascara to my my bottom lash line. I put the pink in my lower lash line, and I put a lipstick on, and that was it. Like, yeah, super easy. I wouldn't say super easy, but it's not the most difficult look in the world. So I feel like with a little bit of practice and a couple, I don't know, blending, you got this. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what the end result looked like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted it to be pretty much straight to the point and not so much talking. So if you guys like this video, like it. If you want to see different looks, comment down below.